We're going to explain how to do a VLOOKUP between two sheets in a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This is a really useful function to pull data from one sheet into another based on matching values. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Understanding your data. First, identify the two sheets you'll be working with. Let's call them Sheet 1, containing the lookup values, and Sheet 2, containing the data you want to retrieve. In Sheet 1, you'll have a column with the values you'll use to find matches. This is your lookup value. In Sheet 2, you'll have a column containing those same values and another column with the data you want to bring over to Sheet 1. This is your return value. 2. The VLOOKUP formula. The core of this is the VLOOKUP formula. Its structure is SUV lookup value, table array, index num, range lookup. Let's break down each part. Lookup value. This is the value from Sheet 1 that you're searching for in Sheet 2. It's usually a cell reference, like A2. Table array. This is the range of cells in Sheet 2 containing both the lookup values and the return values. It's crucial that the lookup values are in the first column of this range. You'll specify this range using sheet name and cell references, e.g., Sheet 2 A, B. This would select all of columns A and B in Sheet 2. Be careful selecting the correct columns and ensure your lookup values are the first column selected, call index num. This specifies which column in your table array contains the data you want to retrieve. If your return value is in the second column of your table array, call index num would be 2. If it is the third column, it would be 3, and so on. Range lookup. This is optional. It determines whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. For exact matches, which is usually what you want in a VLOOKUP between sheets, use false. 3. Putting it together. Let's say in Sheet 1, you want to retrieve data from Sheet 2. In Sheet 1, cell B2, you have your lookup value. In Sheet 2, column A contains the lookup values, and column B contains the data you want. Your formula in Sheet 1 cell C2 would look something like this. VLOOKUP B2, Sheet 2 A, B2, false. This will search for the value in B2 of Sheet 1 in column A of Sheet 2, and return the corresponding value from column B of Sheet 2 into cell C2 of Sheet 1. 4. Copying the formula. Once you've got your formula working in one cell, you can simply copy it down to apply it to other rows. The cell references will automatically adjust to match the current row. 5. Troubleshooting. If you get an error, double-check the following. Your lookup value exists in the table array of Sheet 2. Your table array is correctly specified, including the sheet name. Your call index num points to the correct column containing the return value. You've used false for an exact match. Remember that case sensitivity may play a role sometimes. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively use VLOOKUP to seamlessly integrate data from one sheet into another, making your spreadsheet analysis much more efficient. Remember to always double-check your formula and data for accuracy.